how to put a project on GitHub portfolio ready for employers. If you're applying for software roles, uploading code is not enough. You need to present your project in a way that is clear, professional, and easy to evaluate. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. By the end, you'll have a polished public GitHub repository you can link on your resume, LinkedIn, and portfolio. Step 1. Clean your project before publishing. Remove anything sensitive, especially .env file, API keys, and credentials. Then make sure your .gitignore is set up correctly so unnecessary files are not committed. Finally, run the project once locally to confirm everything works. Step 2. Create a strong README. This is usually the first thing employers and recruiters read. Start with the project title and a one-line summary of what problem it solves. Add screenshots or a short GIF demo. List your tech stack. Highlight key features. Include setup instructions so someone can run it locally. Then add a short section on challenges you solved, what you learned, and what you would improve next. Step 4. Initialize Git locally. Open terminal in your project and run. Change directory, path to the project, git init, git add.git commit-m within quotes initial commit. From this point on, use clear commit messages as you continue improving the project. Step 5. Create a new repository on GitHub. Use a clear and professional repository name. Set visibility to public so employers can view it. If your README already exists locally, do not initialize another README on GitHub during repo creation. Step 6. Connect your local project to GitHub and push. Run the following command: git branch -M main git remote add origin https://github.com/ your username/repo name.git git push -u origin main. Now refresh the repository page. Your project is live. Step 7. Polish the repository for portfolio value. Add a clear description. Add topic tags like the languages and frameworks you used. Add a live demo link in the repository details if available. Then pin this project on your GitHub profile so it appears at the top. Step 8. Add credibility signals. Include tests if possible. Set up a basic GitHub Actions workflow for linting or test runs. This shows code quality and engineering discipline, which employers care about. And that's it. You now have a GitHub project that is not just uploaded but positioned to showcase your skills professionally.